Polymer Clay, let's make Garden of Eden. Joan just made tree, snail, and pond, and some rocks there. And the apples are on the field already, on the ground. Okay, and make beautiful creation using a clay.
Hello! Today we'll make Garden of Eden today with clays. Let's see what color we have. We have red, yellow, blue, white, pink. Do you know what this is? Black. And we have a ruler and many tools. Let's start. I just made the grass with green clay. This is really not flat, so you can use a small ruler or big ruler to make. I'm making a brown clay because I don't have brown. You can make any animal you like. If you don't know how to make a color, you can see what color I make. If you're gonna make brown, you do black, white, and red, and yellow. I just put red. Red and yellow becomes orange. So with black, it becomes brown. But I think it will not work. The rock. You can make rock too, if you want. I think I'll make a rock. And now I think I'll make a snail. This is taking a long time. I even didn't make one animal. I'm just making a snail. What happened to my hand? I just make like this. You can make more if you like. Bye!
You're doing a great job making people shapes with a Play-Doh. In our Bible story, we heard God made people on day 6. Why do you think God made people after making water and animals? People are God's most special creation. We are special because we were made to know